Good morning, students. I, Mrs. Charu Kharte from Gokhale Education Society, English Medium School, Pimpalgaon, Baswant. Today's topic: dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number.
Next topic: dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Madhu has 300 rupee notes, 6 10 rupee notes and 9 1 rupee coins, totaling rupees 369. How should she divide it equally between Neena, Beena and Nagesh? Solve example. 369 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 is here, minus 3 here. Then 3 minus 3, 0 and 6 as it is. Then 3 twos are 6. 2 is here, minus 6 is here. Then 6 minus 6, 0, again 0. And then 9 is here. 3 threes are 9. 9 is here. Then 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So students, each person will receive rupees 123. Okay, now solve exercise. Divide the following. First example: 484 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 is here and then minus 4 is here. Then 4 minus 4, 0 and 8 is here. 4 twos are 8. 2 is here, minus 8 is here. Then 8 minus 8, 0 and then 4 is here. Then 4 ones are 4. 1 is here and then minus 4.
Now, second example: 468 by 2. 2 twos are 4. So students, we write 2 here and then minus 4 is here. 4 minus 4, 0. And then second digit is 6. We write here. Then 2 threes are 6. 3 is here and then minus 6 is here. Then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Then student, last digit is 8. So we write 8 here. And then 2 fours are 8. 4 is here and then minus 8 is here. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 and then 0. Next example: 396 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 is here and then minus 3 here. Then 3 minus 3, 0. Next digit 9. We write 9 here. Then 3 threes are 9. 3 is here and then minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Then next digit 6. We write 6 here. Then 3 twos are 6. 2 is here and then minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Now let us divide 4 notes of 100 rupees, 6 notes of 10 rupees and 5 coins of 1 rupee, totaling rupees 465 between 5 people. In this,
465 rupees, there are 4 notes of 100 rupees. 5 can only be taken 0 times from 4. This means that no one can get a 100 rupee note. Let us put a 0 in the 100 place of the quotient. We change 4 notes of 100 rupees for 10 rupee notes, those 40 notes and the 6 notes. We already have make a total of 46 10 rupee notes. Let us divide them among 5 people. 5 can be subtract from 46 a maximum of 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. So 46 minus 45 is equal to 1 and 1 note of 10 rupee remains. We change this 10 rupee note for 10 1 rupee coins and add the 5 coins that we already have, making a total of 15 1 rupee coins to divided among 5 people. 5 is 15, therefore we can subtract 5 3 times. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. The quotient is 93. When rupees 465 are divided among 5 people, each person gets rupees 93. Find 629 by 3. Divided the 100 tens and unit in that order by 3. Twist 3 is 6, so 6 can be divided by 3. We write 2 in the 100 place of the quotient. Now let's bring down 2 tens and divided. 3 can be taken 0 times from 2. Therefore, let us write 0 in the 10 place of the quotient. 2 minus 2 is equal to 2. So, 2 tens remain. 20 units from 2 tens and the 9 units we already have make a total of 29 units to be divided by 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 29 minus 27 is equal to 2. Therefore, the quotient is 209 and the remainder is 2.
Now solve exercise. Divide first example 494 by 4. 4 ones are 4. We write 1 is here and then minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Next digit 9 is here. In 4 table 9 is not there, so we write 4 twos are 8. 2 is here and then minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 is here. Then next digit 4 is here. So students, 14. In 4 table 14 is not there, so we write 4 threes are 12. 3 is here and minus 12 we write here. Then 4 minus 2, 2 and then 1 minus 1, 0. So students, quotient 123 and remainder 2. Next example 815 by 2. 2 fours are 8. 4 is here and then minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Next digit 1 is here. So students, 1 is smaller than 2. So we write 2 into 0. We write 0 is here and then 0 is here. Minus 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Next digit is 5. So students, 2 sevens are 14. 7 is here and then minus 14 is here. 5 minus 4, 1 and then 1 minus 1, 0. Student, quotient 407 and remainder 1. Next example, 242 by 3. Students, in table of 3, 2 is not there. So, we write 3 into 0, 0. We write 0 is here and then minus 0 is here. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next digit is 4. 3 8s are 24. 8 is here and then minus 24 we write here. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next digit is 2. In table of 3, 2 is not there. So, we write 3 into 0, 0. 0 and then minus 0. 2 minus 0, 2 and 0 is here. So, student, quotient 80 and remainder 2. Next example, 455 by 5. Students, in table of 5, 4 is not there. So, we write 5 into 0, 0. We write 0 here and then minus 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Then next digit is 5. We write here. 5 9s are 45. 9 is here and then minus 45 we write here. Then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next digit is 5 we write here. Then 5 ones are 5. 1 is here and then minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0 and 0. So, student, quotient 91 and remainder 0.
The dividend is 800 and the divisor is 2. Let us divide 8h by 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so we write 4 in the hundreds place of the quotient. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 0 hundreds remain. Now let us divide 0 tens by 2. 0 divided by any number is 0. Let us write 0 in the tens place of the quotient. Similarly, 0 units divided by 2 is 0. Therefore, let us write 0 in the unit place of the quotient. The quotient is 400 and the remainder is 0. If while dividing 800 and by 2, we do not put zeros in the tens and units place, the quotient could be written by mistake as 40 or even 4 instead of 400. Remember, while dividing, in case a number is divided 0 times, write the 0 in the correct place in the quotient.
Now solve exercise dividing the following. First example, 500 and by 5. Now 5 ones are 5. 1 is here and then minus 5 we write here. 5 minus 5, 0. Next 0 is here. Then 5 into 0, 0. Then 0 is here. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Next 0 is here. Then 5 into 0, 0. 0 is here and then 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0 and then 0 minus 0, 0. So student, quotient 100 and remainder 0. Next example, 900 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 1 is here and then minus 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 and then 0 we write here. Then 6 5s are 30. 5 is here and then minus 30 we write here. 0 minus 0, 0 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And then 0 is we write here. Then 6 into 0, 0. We write 0 here and then again 0, 0 and 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 and 0 minus 0, 0. So students, quotient 150 and remainder 0.
Thank you. Have a nice day.